What is the value of the derivative of this function at x equals 0? If we look at our function, it is super complicated. Then we can always use the property of logarithm. Take the natural logarithm each side. Then this is equal to natural log y is equal to natural log of this expression divided by this expression. So using the property of logarithm, that's going to be natural log x cubed minus 2x plus 1 to the power of 1/2 minus natural log e to the 2x minus x to the power of 1/3. So if we simplify more, natural log y is equal to 1/2 goes in front of natural log, right? So 1/2 times natural log x cubed minus 2x plus 1 minus 1/3 times natural log e to the 2x minus x. So up to this point, we used the property of logarithm to simplify this expression into expanded form like this. Now, differentiate this equation in terms of x. Then we have derivative of natural log y, that's 1/y times derivative of y by the chain rule, is equal to 1/2. We have a natural log, so 1/x cubed minus 2x plus 1 times the derivative of this expression by the chain rule. So that's a 3x squared minus 2 minus, we have a 1/3, we have a natural log. So its derivative is 1/, whatever we have here, e to the 2x minus x times the derivative of this expression by the chain rule. So e to the 2x times 2, right? So the derivative of e to the 2x is e to the 2x times 2 minus the derivative of x is 1. So let's find dy over dx when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, what is the value of y? Y is equal to, if we substitute 0 for x, then that's going to be equal to square root 0 minus 0 plus 1 cube root e to the 0 minus 0. So this is 1, this is e to the 0, that's 1, right? So 1, which is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Now substitute 0 for x, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1 for y. Then our derivative dy over dx at the point 0, 1 is equal to 1/2 times 1/1 times negative 2 minus 1/3 times 1 e to the 0, 1 minus 0 times e to the 0. So 1 times 2 minus 1. 2 cancels out here. So this is going to be equal to negative 1 from this expression. This is 1, this is 1. So minus 1/3. So that's going to be negative 4/3.